This is for graphic designers, especially for those who have something to do with branding. So I designed this car wrap, and today I will show you briefly the process behind that. I am Dusan. I deliver design solutions to leading companies such as Tesla, Volkswagen, and General Motors, and I have 6 years professional experience in 2D and 3D design. This is the brief process I used to make this particular car wrap. I will not go through every single detail because it is quite self-explanatory when you just pause the video and check it out. But I wanted to highlight 2 points that I think are relevant to all graphic designers, whatever their endeavor. The very first one is consideration of customer point of entry. So what's the most common problem your customer want to fix? Or what is the problem they go to your business with? And in this case, we are designing for auto service, and the most common problem they had was the diagnose. So someone has an issue with the car, they don't know what's wrong, so they make a quick diagnose, and most often they can upsell them into some sort of repair, etc. So that's it, the diagnosis. It sometimes sounds obvious to ask what is the most common problem, but in my experience it doesn't happen that often as you would expect. And also, when we identify that one problem, that is going to be our main target for promotion. You can see in the design, in the wording, that on every single part of the car there is the call to action. Let's diagnose. It's everywhere. There is nothing about repair. I mean, yeah, agree on the price and repair, as here. But the main CTA, it's let's diagnose. Everything else just follows up after that. And we are promoting just the phone number here, which is a detail that I think is also important, because very often in these designs, people are promoting all sorts of stuff. It's like website, their Facebook account, their Instagram, etc. In this case, the best converting way for this business is the phone number. So why using anything else? Why giving customers multiple options that will confuse them? Sometimes when you keep things simple, they work better. And that's this case. So we have one CTA and one way to contact the business in here. And if they want, it's 21st century, they can Google anything, right? Let's go to the second thing that I think can be generalized. The thing that can be generalized for all graphic design. Any special symbols representing the business or industry. We can think about it in the relationship to the customer point of entry that we have just discussed. So for this business, what are the symbols that represent the problem the customer has? In this case, it's very simple and straightforward. When something is wrong with your car, you have these lights that will tell you something's wrong. And it came to me that it would be a good idea to use it also on the car, so we can make this brand association between this thing, these symbols, and the brand auto service. So we want to make this connection. So whenever they will see these problems, they want to have the association to this company that can fix it. It's the beautiful example of having the problem and the solution, and this association between them is what we can call branding. So these were the 2 main ideas. And if you like conversations like these about design and business, we have a designer group. The link is in description. So I will be very happy to have a chat with you in there. See you.